Students, today we have to discuss the another defect of vision, that is the press myopia. And before that, I want to discuss more about the defects already you have discussed. First one is the myopia, and that myopia was corrected by using the concave lens. Second one is the hypermetropia, and that was corrected by using the convex lens. And this is the third case, that is told as the press myopia. What is that press myopia? This type of defect, a human eye which cannot see the near objects and the distant object clearly. If the person is suffering this type of defect, the person cannot see the distant object clearly nor the near objects clearly, then this type of defect is called the press myopia. Cannot see, the human eye which cannot see the near objects and the distant objects clearly, it is said to suffer from a defect known as the press myopia. This defect, actually why it is happening, this defect is due to the aging of a person, and particularly if the age increases for the older people, they will find this type of defect. And why this is happening? Because due to that ciliary muscle and the eye lens, the flexibility, or you can tell that ciliary muscle, actually the ciliary muscle which is holding the lens, it is getting compressed and rarefied to get to adjust the accommodation, to adjust the focal length of the eye lens. So ciliary muscles are weakened, and the flexibility of eye lens also reduces. The flexibility of eye lens and ciliary muscles becomes weakened. Due to that reason, the proper accommodation doesn't take place. As the proper accommodation doesn't take place, so we cannot see the person cannot see the distant object or the near objects clearly. And this can be corrected. How this can be corrected? Because individually for the myopia and hypermetropia, you are using the two type of lenses. One was the concave lens, another is the convex lens. Here we have to use both the lenses. That can be corrected by using bifocal lens. Bifocal lens means this is the one lens. The upper part is used for the concave lens. Upper part is the concave and the lower part is the convex. The upper part is concave, means it is for the myopia and it is for the hypermetropia. In case of the myopia, you can see the near objects clearly, cannot see the distant object clearly. So this concave, the upper part of this lens will be used to see the distant objects, and the lower part of the lens will be used to see the near objects clearly. So the person has to use both the lenses simultaneously. If he has to see the distant object, we will be looking off, and if he has to see the lower near objects, that he has to look down. And we must be finding this type of feelings from the older people. Although this type of defect is called the press myopia. Another simple defect is the cataract. Cataract, it is due to the formation of an opaque membrane over the eye lens. One membrane will be covered over the eye lens, and that thing also you will be finding from the older people also. One membrane will be formed over the eye lens. That visibility, or you can tell it as the intensity of light should not be entered in more amount, so that you cannot see clearly. The visibility of the object is not clear, particularly this type of defect of people, and this can be corrected by using operation. Just by means of the operation, that you have to remove the opaque membrane from the eye lens, and that can be corrected, this type of defect. Thank you.